So I'm Jeff Caballero. I'm the Vice President here at AMCAP Home Loans. I understand you're looking into buying a home in Bolivar. This is probably going to be a second home or an investment property. I'm here to kind of fill you in on what the market's doing. There's been a significant increase to the cost of a mortgage loan through Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac as of about a year ago when doing a second home or an investment property. And when I say significant, it's significant. You're talking 3 or 4% in cost in order to obtain the same rate that you are going to get for a primary residence. A primary residence is the home that you live in all the time. Your second home is a vacation property. Your investment property is one you intend to use as an income producing property. It used to be second homes were significantly better in rate than an investment property. Those days have gone away. They're basically the same price, just depends on the down payment that you're going to be putting down. 10% down on a second home, 20% plus on a investment property. So when looking at purchasing one of these properties down here, what you want to pay attention to is there is going to be some cost associated with you obtaining the interest rate. It used to be that you could go and you didn't matter if you were buying a second home or a primary house or an investment, you could buy that home and you could get obtain a mortgage with no points. There is no option these days that does not have points associated with buying a second home or an investment property. So what you want to be prepared for is probably 2 percentage points minimum in order to get a rate for your loan. That would be your 30-year fixed, by the way. If you do a 15-year or maybe even a 20, maybe you could get a little bit under that. What you want to try to do on this is you want to work really closely with the builder, the seller, your agent to figure out, and us for that matter. If you choose us to be your mortgage lender, let us look at how you're going to put this together and help you to put it together in the best way to save you and your family money. At the end of the day, chances are with the rates the way they are, you're probably going to have this loan a year, 2 years, possibly 3 max. I've been in this business 27 years. I've closed 70,000 home loans plus, and I can tell you in 27 years, I've never seen a 3-year period where it hasn't come up and down enough to refi. So I would invite you, what we say is that you're going to marry the home and you're going to date the rate, right? The rate is going to be something that we can work on. You move into this property, you buy your home, you started producing income out of it. Yes, it's a little bit less than what you thought it was going to be over the next year or two. As soon as rates get to that point where you're ready to refinance that loan, you call us up. We're going to waive our administrative fee for you if you've done your loan through us. And we're going to give you the best rate that we can find on the market. So as much as you hear about it's the end of the world, the rates are so high right now, they're really not that high. Again, I've been doing this 27 years. That's been close to this many, many times along the ride. I can tell you 2 years from now, everybody will be fixed into their rates that they're happy with. And, we won't be talking about this. We'll be looking to buy another property. So I would invite you to give us a call and talk to one of our loan officers or me specifically and get all the facts. If you have all the facts, you have all the numbers, you can look at it and you can decide what works best for you and your family. But I know this, that going into purchasing an investment or a second home, if you have not been in the market since you bought your primary and your primary was purchased 3 years ago, it's a whole lot different right now. So that phone call can save you a lot of time and give you the information you need to make the best decision. So give us a call at AMCAP. Thanks again, Jeff Caballero.